How to transfer WhatsApp chat from iPhone to Android without cable. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to easily chat transfer from your iPhone to your Android device without any cable. But before you get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. First thing first, you will have to open up your WhatsApp application, and once you do so, what you need to do is wait for your chats to load. Now you will just have to tap on the three dots at the top right corner and then tap on settings. Once you get to settings, go ahead and tap on the chat section. And here, if you scroll down, you'll have this option, transfer chats. Just tap on it. So you can transfer a chat history to Android phone. Just tap on start and you can follow the on-screen instructions. That's pretty simple, but I'm going to show you a quick way that's much easier than this. So once you get out of this section right here, you want to tap on chat backup. Make sure that your Google account is connected and then just tap on backup. What this will do is it will back up all of the available chats to your Google Drive, and once your backup is complete, you will just have to log into your Android device and then open up your WhatsApp. And once you try to log into your WhatsApp, it will automatically show you if there are any backups that have previously been done on your account. Then you will just have to reload all of those backups and all of your chats will be transferred to your device. So that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on the next one.